All right, here we go. Here's another review. I got this thing off of Amazon, the Pestio, whatever the heck you want to call it, camera, and it died. I haven't had this thing for like 15 minutes. So at first it was working, so I hooked it up to the car. I hooked it up here, hooked it up to the power adapter, which is hooked up to my cigarette lighter, and there's the SD card that I had. I put it all in, everything was working, but then it kept turning on and off for some reason. So I was like, well, the battery's probably dead. All right, did that, and so the battery was dead. So I plugged it in and it started charging. I put it on the top of the windshield, so it was recording. Everything was fine. I was like, all right, whatever. Then all of a sudden I saw that it was just recording on its own. So I'm like, well, I guess that's because the power is on. So that's how it should work. But then it wouldn't turn off. And so this is the button where you press to go through the menus. So this is like the mode, right? And this is the menu button right here. So I pushed this in and it wouldn't do anything. And I pushed it in one more time and it caved in. And you can see it right there, it's caved in and it no longer clicks when you push it. So that's broken. So I also, before I did that, I reset it a couple times because like it wouldn't do anything like right now. So it was saying that it was low on battery, but now it's stuck on that. So weird that it's doing that because apparently it doesn't have any battery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset it. All right, and this is how you reset it. So you put a little pin through the side right here where the R is, and let's see if I get it right. There, I resetted it. Now I should turn back on. There it is, turning on. It's probably going to ask for the SD card because I don't have it in there. Now it's not even turning on. All right, let's plug it in. Maybe it's because of the battery. All right, there you go. Please insert SD card. I'm trying to go through the menus on the side, nothing. This should at least change this right here. Nothing on these buttons, nothing on that button. If you press this, apparently it should lock the camera, but there's nothing. Like, these buttons totally died on me right now. So there you have it. Dead. I wouldn't get this thing. I mean, it died. I mean, yeah, the battery's low, I get it. It just, these buttons don't work. Even if the battery was low, the buttons should work. And on top of that, this thing caved in. So yeah, I'm returning this to Amazon, and I'll probably don't even get another camera. I'll just leave it as that until I find something that's better. But there it is. Stay away from this guy.